Hello friends, I again welcome you in another class of FDI in India. Today I will be discussing on sectoral caps, that is limits that has been provided in for investment in India. The limits or sectoral caps is mentioned in Regulation 16 of FEMA 20R. Okay, these regulations has been issued by RBI. Okay, now basically we'll divide in two sectors. First is for sectors and activities, and for another one will be financial services. In sectors and activities, if sectors and activities is listed in Regulation 16 of FEMA 20R, then foreign investment will be permitted up to limit indicated. That is, if sectors or activities, for example animal and husbandry sector or business sector or other business activity that has been mentioned in Regulation 16, then foreign investment will be permitted up to limit indicated in Regulation 16 of FEMA 20R. If sector or activities is not being listed in Regulation 16 of FEMA 20R and not prohibited in Regulation 15, that is services that is sector activity that is not prohibited in Regulation 15 and not listed in Regulation 16, then foreign investment permitted up to 100% automatic route. You have to take into consideration that it should be not listed in Regulation 16 and not prohibited in Regulation 15, then only foreign investment will be permitted up to 100% automatic route. Now we'll see how it works, how FDI works in foreign financial services sector. In financial services sector, basically these services has been mentioned in serial F of Regulation 16. If it is listed in serial F of Regulation 16, then it will be there is no requirement of prior approval. That is, if financial services that you are going to invest is is listed in serial F of Regulation 16, then no prior approval will be required. However, if it is not listed in serial F of Regulation 16, then prior government approval should be required. These are the basics FDI limits, or you can say sectoral caps, that has been mentioned in Regulation 16 of FEMA 20R. Other than that, you have to also subject to, that is, you have to also comply with other laws and regulations, security and other conditions that is time to time updated or as being listed in government notifications or as per government notices as they come by. In another chapter, in another class, we will more be discussing on FDI in other classes and discuss in later classes. So I am continuing it with it, and I will see you in next video. Thank you. Thanks.